You have painted nails?
Yeah, and you saw that Sunday, and you complimented it Sunday.
You're just
No,
now,
you're complimenting. Go fuck yourself.
liar.
Hey kid, go fuck yourself.
You know,
all right?
look, I want to show you that I'm not kidding around about that. That's horrible.
What's horrible? Painted nails?
I kicked somebody out of my podcast for that. But he was a little more feminine than you, that's why. Here, go down a little bit. Yeah, there he is. Look, the one with the fire. You see?
Yeah.
I got him out.
Why?
Because he painted his nails.
Okay. Oh, he was painting his nails while he was shooting?
No, I just realized in the middle of the podcast he painted his nails. I told him to leave.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's feminine.
Because it's beta.